99.99 is wrong. You have to include the original 14 bytes of the Ethernet header. And after that, you include till the is expressed so well. You include the original. Let me hear that, ignoring the VLAN. You include the entire header, the payload, obviously, and the payload is wrongly shown everywhere, 150. This is the correct. Where is this? This is the correct way to show Ethernet payload of the original data. 46 is the very minimum, because the original Ethernet, when it was on the cables, around cables, coaxial, how it's called in English, it needs to stay into the wire for the minimum amount of time in order to arrive everywhere to be heard. So it is minimum 46, and eventually, if it is not 46, it's added a padding in order to arrive to 46. The very absolute minimum is 46 to the maximum of 150, 1500 maximum amount of data, but it can be less, and that's why you can adjust the maximum transmission unit, because you can shorten it in order to be less than 1500.